Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Android version and any manufacturer skin because menus differ. Once done, back up important app settings to avoid surprises. Now open Settings, tap Notifications or Sound and Vibration. You do this to reach system-level controls rather than per app defaults. If you see a search bar, use it and type Notifications to jump faster. This gets you into the right area so the next steps actually change how alerts look and behave. You now pick either default notifications or dive into app notifications to target specific apps. Once in an app, select a channel. Channels control tone, importance, and visual style, so change them intentionally. Make sure to adjust importance to show as pop-up or silent, toggle badges and lock screen visibility based on privacy. If you want grouped alerts, enable conversations or notification grouping. These choices affect annoyance and response speed. Finish by testing. Send a sample notification or ask someone to message you and confirm tone, banner, and badge behavior. If you don't hear or see changes, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and verify per app sound settings. Some apps override system themes. If problems persist, restart your phone. If still stuck, clear system UI cache or force stop the settings app. One key troubleshooting tip. If a channel is locked by the app, update the app or check in-app notification settings to regain control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.